Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to log in Trust Wallet on another device. Open up the web browser. Then open the Trust Wallet app in Web Chrome. Click on Import or Recover Wallet. Go ahead and set a password for this new device. After that, click on I've read and agreed to the terms of use. Then tap on Next. Now you have your secret phrase with you in order to log in on another device. Make sure to click over here and select the amount of words that you have in your secret phrase. If you have 12 words, then select 12 and type the words over here one by one. Then click on Next. And this way, you will be able to log in your Trust Wallet on another device. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.